It's Dr. Cersei with your video summary for the day. Today we started looking at essay number 4, which is going to be a report. And so after doing a little grammar work with parallelism, remember your sentences need to be balanced, especially if you have conjunctions in them and those sentences aren't compound sentences. That's where parallel structure really matters. We talked about evidence and we came away with 2 lessons. Number 1, your job as a reporter is to approach evidence like a journalist rather than a prosecutor. In this 4th paper, you won't be making an argument so much as you will be sifting through facts and telling us what's important about the cultural practice you've chosen to investigate. So that's number 1. And then number 2 is we looked at 3 different kinds of sources: an encyclopedia entry, a news article, and an opinion editorial. We discovered that different kinds of sources give us different kinds of information. An encyclopedia article is good to give us an overview of a topic. It can help us define a topic as well as give us a brief summary of that topic's history. News articles are good because they give us an objective story about what's happening with a particular topic in the news right now, or at any time that we can access the news article. And then the opinion editorial is interesting because it tends to tell us what a particular topic means. It's featured in an argument. So our topic today was tattoos. We discovered the definition of a tattoo. It's purposely inserting ink or dye below the dermis layer, and its purpose is identity. We discovered that it's been used throughout history, dating back to the 4th and 5th century BC, 4th or 5th millennium BC rather. And the news article was about new Barbies that feature tattoos and what that says about little girls and the mothers who have these little girls. And then we looked at an opinion editorial about how millennials, 4 out of 10 millennials now have tattoos, and that they are removing the stigma from tattoos. So that gives you a little sample of what you're going to be doing with your sources over the weekend. I'd like you to definitely start thinking about what you want to write about in research. And when we meet on Tuesday, we'll continue our discussion of evidence. See you then.